Welcome to this Excel Updates video covering QR codes. For the project, Microsoft 365 Excel is required. Be sure you are using the most recent version before starting the project. In Excel for Desktop, open the Excel Updates desktop data file.xlsx file. Before we dive into using Excel's image function with a free API to create QR codes, let's quickly talk about what an API is. API stands for Application Programming Interface. Think of it like a bridge that allows different software applications to communicate with each other. Just like a waiter takes your order at a restaurant, brings it to the kitchen, and delivers your meal, an API takes a request from one application, retrieves the necessary data or action from another system, and brings back the response. In our case, we'll be using a free API that generates QR codes. Instead of creating QR codes manually, Excel can send a request to the API, and the API will return an image of a QR code that we can insert directly into our spreadsheet using the image function. This is a great way to automate tasks and bring in external data or resources seamlessly. Now let's see how this works in Excel. Go to Worksheet D04. Cell A5 contains the website URL for the Financial Accounting Standards Board. We want to create a QR code for it in cell B5. Cell D1 contains the free API URL we will use to create the QR code. Click in cell B5 and type equals image left parenthesis. Our source is going to be the URL in cell D1, so click in it. Notice that the URL ends with $data equals. Right after data equals, we need to provide the URL. We will do that next. Type the ampersand at the end of the formula and then click in cell A5. Add a closed parentheses to the end of the formula and press enter. And now we see our QR code. To make it larger, just drag the row 5 bottom border downward to increase the row height. Note, if a blocked error message is returned, you might need to change the permissions on your computer to allow this. Another option is to try using Excel for the web instead. And here is the completed QR code for FASB in cell B5. If you want to dive deeper into the QR code generator API, the link to the website is here in cell D3. Okay, that's it. We are done. This video was created and narrated by Dr. Sell-Tietz. Have a great day.